Here's how to sell crypto on Crypto.com. First, open the Crypto.com app. Then go to Accounts in the bottom. Here, select the cryptocurrency that you want to sell. So I have Bitcoin and Kronos. For example, I'll select Kronos. Once you open the cryptocurrency you want to sell, click on Trade in the bottom. Then select Sell. Now choose how much of this you want to sell. You can choose how much in the cryptocurrency, or if you click on the two vertical arrows, you can choose in your own currency, which is your fiat currency. For example, I'll select 10 euros. Then from there, you can click Review Order, and then you have the overview here with the trading fee and all of that stuff. Now just click on Confirm. And now you have sold this cryptocurrency, and the money is now in your euro account in my case, or for you it may be dollar or pounds, whatever it is for you. So now you know how to sell crypto on Crypto.com. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.